Remember, you have been given two lines, a1x plus b1y plus c1, a2x plus b2y plus c2. The first case, if you remember, what is that? a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2 means that they represent two different lines, and two different lines meet at a point, then they will have unique solution. Is that? Then they will have unique solution. Case 2. Case 2. What is case 2? a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. What does it mean? If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, both are representing same lines. One lies on this other. They are called coincident lines. We call them by a name coincident lines. So one line lies on the other. They are called coincident lines. So coincident lines means there are infinite number of points exist on a coincident lines. That's the reason why this is a condition for infinitely many solutions. Your case third. What is case third? Third case, a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2. But this is not equal to c1 by c2. What does it represents? Parallel lines. And parallel lines never intersects. They never intersects. Example, two tracks of rail. If you understand railway tracks, they both are parallel. They'll never meet. They never meet means they don't intersect. They don't intersect. There is no point of intersection. No point of intersection. No solutions. So this is a condition for no solution. This is a condition for infinitely many solution. This is a condition for unique solution. So here, whenever you have a solution, they are consistent. Whenever you have a solution, they are consistent. So this is a condition for both are this, this both, this one and this one are the condition for consistent because they have a solution. And in this case, it is called inconsistent because they don't have solutions. So that is what the concept we discussed previously, if you remember. Is this clear? So let's move ahead. Let's go for the next concept. What is that? Graphical solutions. Now you know all this. Now using this, let us understand how you draw this lines. Obviously, ax plus by plus c equals 0 represents a line. Your ax plus by plus c equals 0 represents a line. Your a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0 also represents a line. Now both these lines, how will you represent graphically and how will you find the solution? Let's understand. Now the concept is graphical solution of pair of linear equations in two variables. You already know a pair of linear equations represents two lines, what we have already discussed. When their graphs are drawn, there are three possibilities. One, two lines intersect at one point, unique solution. Two lines are parallel, no solution. They may represent the same line, called coincident lines, means infinitely many solution. We have already discussed all this. So there are three possibilities when it comes to finding the solutions of linear equations. Yeah, just a second, guys. Yeah, so this three are represent. There are three possibilities. One is called, the point lines are intersecting at one point. Lines are parallel. Lines lie on one line lies on the other. It's called coincident line. There's a name given. So in case of coincident line, there are infinite number of points exist, infinite number of solutions. So let us understand graphically. Check this. Now here, if you observe, in the first case, lines are parallel in this case. Can you see that? Lines are parallel. These two parallel lines never intersect. They don't have a solution. In the second case, they intersect at one point. They intersect at one point. They will have one solution. Third case, one line lies on the other. They are coincident lines. So obviously, infinitely many solutions. So this is what the possibilities are. The possibilities are lines can be parallel. That is your first case A. lines will be, intersecting at one point. Your second case, in that case, only one point of intersection, one solution. In the third case, one line lies completely on the other. You can see that. There are two lines on it. Can you see that? One line is lying on the other. So coincident lines. In that case, it consists of infinitely many solutions. So this is how you can draw. This is what the possibilities are.